That bird has nothing, yet is so happy. Part 4.
Look at that bird, Tata said. It doesn't have a car or toy or mobile. But see how happy it is, just enjoying the water. Kevin watched. The bird dipped its wing, splashed happily, and flew away singing. Tata smiled. Sometimes we hold on too tightly to things we like. When we lose them, our hearts hurt. But when we learn to stay peaceful like the bird, no one can take away our joy. Kevin thought about it quietly. He looked up at the sky where the bird had flew. It looked so free, so peaceful. Tata, he said slowly, if I don't get angry or sad, will I be happy like that bird? Tata nodded.